Today we are going to build a cute alphabet bear. Let's learn A to Z together. Are you ready? Let's start. This is A for apple. This is B for ball. This is C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. This is F for fox. This is G for giraffe. This is H for horse. This is I for ice cream. This is J for joker. This is K for kite. This is L for lion. This is M for monkey. This is N for nest. This is O for octopus. This is P for penguin. This is Q for queen. This is R for rabbit. This is S for sun. This is T for train. This is U for umbrella. This is V for violin. This is W for watch. This is X for xylophone. This is Y for yacht. This is Z for zebra. Wow, we built it! Say hello to our cute little alphabet bear. Great job learning A to Z. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun adventures like this.